Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a first impression review on a South African brand called Ruthie's Hair Emporium. You guys have asked me, when is the review coming out? When is the review coming out? I wanted to do it a little bit differently. I really wanted to try the products off camera for a few weeks, but the demand is there for the review. So what I am saying today is this is a first impression review. The owner did reach out to me and she sent me her products, and I'm going to tell you what she sent me. I didn't get the shampoo. I did get the curl revitalizing spray. I also got the leave-in conditioner, and then I got 3 tabs. I got the hydrating mask, I got the conditioner, and I also got the curl cream. I've just refreshed my hair, so my hair is quite damp, and I do have the products in my hair, and I did refresh my hair with the products as well. So let's get into my first impression thoughts on the brand. As I said, I didn't get the shampoo, so my first step was the conditioner. And I'll start off by saying that this is my favorite product. The conditioner I absolutely enjoyed. If there's any product from the entire line that I would repurchase, because I didn't buy the products as I said it was sent to me, but I would buy this. The conditioner for me is everything. Yeah, I love this. It's just the conditioner, but you can use it as a deep conditioner as well, because the directions say that you can use it as a treatment and leave for 30 to 45 minutes. I just use this as a rinse out conditioner. I left it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Amazing. Application amazing. My hair was so soft. This, for me, this is the highlight of the entire line of products, is the conditioner. When it comes to smell, it smells very nice. I like the texture glided through my hair. Like, I'm not somebody who uses rinse out conditioners, but this is something that I would use as a deep conditioner or a rinse out conditioner. I absolutely love this particular product from the line. Next, I went in with the hair mask, and for me, the conditioner was so amazing. I really didn't feel a need to use this afterwards. And the hair mask for me, and this is my honest opinion and review on the line, I don't need this mask. The consistency is a lot thinner, and I was like, that's very strange. Here's the conditioner here, nice and thick. The mask is a lot thinner in consistency, and it didn't really do much for my hair after the results I just got from the conditioner. So for me, this is something that you can buy it and try it. You might absolutely love it, but the conditioner basically did the work of the mask for me. In terms of smell for the mask, it smells just like the conditioner, and as I said earlier, the consistency is a lot thinner. I did leave the mask on for about 45 minutes, I think, and my results were just the same as the conditioner. Moving on to styling, I got the leave-in conditioner. This for me, as you know, a little bit small. I don't like pump bottles, but I like the consistency of the leave-in. It was nice and thick, coated my curls really nice. My hair soft. When did I wash my hair? It's almost a week. It's almost my wash day again that I did use the products on my hair. It's cold. It's been the month of May. Leave-in did a nice job. I wish this came in a tub though. Personally, just my preference in terms of packaging when it comes to products, but I like the leave-in conditioner. Then the curl cream. If you've been watching my channel for a long time, you know that I don't care for curl creams. Curl creams really don't do much for my hair, especially in terms of longevity. I want a product that's going to give my hair day 5, day 7. The curl cream, or curl creams in general, usually give me maybe day 2, maximum day 3 hair, and this gave me day 2 hair, which means for me I have to put in more application, refresh my hair even more. So this behaved on my hair like most curl creams, did give definition. Something that was very interesting about this product on my type of hair, after washing it day 1, I got a lot of shrinkage. I got a whole lot of shrinkage. Definition, absolutely, but my hair was sitting about here. I didn't use the Denman brush. I applied as I always did, so I got a lot of shrinkage. When it comes to the smell of the curl cream, it's a bit different from the mask and the conditioner. It smells a little bit more organic. I'm getting a bit of a spice smell coming through as well, very similar to the Aphrodite products and how they smell. And I thought both local products, very interesting that they have similar smells. The consistency for me was okay, not very thick, a little bit light and frothy, which was nice. So the consistency was good, the smell is okay. When it comes to results, it behaved like a normal curl cream for me. Day 2 hair maximum, so it isn't a styling product for my type of hair that I would use again. I would use this if I am protective styling, 2-strand twists, I'll pick this up absolutely, but for wash and go, no. The last product I received is a spray. This is the Kohl Revitalising spray, and if you know me also, I'm not a refresher spray kind of girl, but I did refresh my hair with it. I like the nozzle. I like the way the product came out of it. In terms of smell, it also smelled just like the curl cream. So I found that the conditioner and the mask smelled the same, and then the curl cream and the refreshing or revitalizing spray smelled the same, and they smell completely differently. So if you like refresher sprays or refreshing sprays, I think you will like this. It sprays really nicely, but for me, I just like water in my spray bottle. So if maybe there's a little flyaway here or there, I might pick it up. But as I said, if you like sprays, I think you're gonna like this. And guys, that's a wrap for my first impressions review of a local South African brand called Ruthie's Beauty Emporium. It is curly girl friendly. I should have mentioned that in the introduction. The prices are good. I hope you enjoyed this review. I posted it on Facebook, got amazing feedback. So here's the review, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you are wondering about the products, I hope this first impressions review helped you. I might revisit it a bit later after really using the products off camera, but we'll see. If you guys want another really informative review, drop your comments down below. Follow them on social media as well, and I'll see you again. Take care.